Our next guest on MineExpo TV 2008 is Mr. Bart Lorang, President of DTS. A real honor to have you on the program today. Bart, first question, what does DTS stand for? What does it mean, and what value do you guys really bring to the mining industry?
Well, Charles, DTS stands for Dimension Technology Solutions. We've been around since 1994 working with the mining industry, and largely we've been working as a system integrator. What that means is we've been tying all the different systems together for the mining industry, creating some software products out of that integration, and helping people do their jobs more efficiently without having to talk to all these little systems that exist in every mining environment.
I see. What real benefit does this translate into?
Well, basically, at the end of the day, we try to save people time. And so we create user front ends that talk to these systems. So a guy on the field, a mechanic, a maintenance guy, an operator, they spend less time interfacing with the actual computer system and more time actually doing their job.
So I'm understanding that you create time. Time is money, so in essence, you guys are manufacturing profitability?
That's absolutely correct. I mean, our customers see tremendous returns on their investment with us.
Very well. It's my understanding that you guys have a very high-profile flagship product, yet you have innovated it into the next iteration, and you are showcasing this new product here at MineExpo 2008. What's this all about?
Yeah, that's right. We're very, very excited about our new product offering. As many people use our current product, eMESA, in the mining industry, we have literally tens of thousands of users. Our new offering, which we've developed from quite some time, is called eMESA Live. And eMESA Live is really a community platform, a web-based platform to share knowledge, to share procedures, to share processes, and to share information with an entire community that's available globally on the internet. The problem today is that this data, this information exists solely in a mining operation or in a plant. But what we're trying to do is capture that knowledge base that exists globally and bring it right down to the user's desktop.
As information technology has driven the mining industry throughout the entire last decade, it certainly sounds like you guys are on the leading edge. Next question, Bart. You mentioned prior to our interview that you had, quote, and end of quote, and I believe I am quoting you, absolutely extensive background in the mining industry. Not to challenge you here, but would you expound just a bit upon it?
Well, yeah, absolutely. I was born in the mining industry. My father just retired from the mining industry. It's all I've known. It's all I've worked in for the last 20 or 30 years. I've literally been doing software in the mining industry since I was about this high. So, you know, mining is what we know. Our entire senior management team is experienced and versed in the mining industry, and we're excited to continue to provide mining solutions for our mining customers.
So you're saying you know it because you've lived it?
Absolutely, I've lived it absolutely every day of my life.
Last question, with that having been said, growing up through the last 3 decades of all this revolutionary evolution in the mining industry, where do you see the global mining industry going from here?
Well, obviously, I think there's a lot of talk about automation in our industry and moving to automation. It's sort of like the before and after pictures. We see the before right where we are right now and the after, but there's a lot of frames in between. And I don't see necessarily a lot of folks having a clear vision and path of how to get there. But I think that from the IT side, we're going to have to invest in technologies like service-oriented architecture, data standards, master data integrity to get to places where we need to go where we can truly automate our mines, make them safer, make them more environmentally friendly, and make them ultimately more profitable.
Bart, we genuinely appreciate you sharing your vast expertise and insight with us today on the program, and on behalf of the National Mining Association, we want to wish you the very best of success here at MineExpo 2008.
Thank you, Charles.